Hello there, everyone. Uh, Once again, my name is Bullen, and this is Bullen Shot It. So today, I want to take you to another, or I want to introduce to you another gadget that I've added to my, list of the things that I'm doing to build my, my studio, my shooting. As you know, my channel is more about photography. And as much as it is concerned with photography, it's also concerned with the, YouTubing and streaming in the nearest future, if God allows me. So the list of the things, one of the things that I've just added recently to my photography cabinet or cupboard, or let me just say cabinet, is a gimbal. I want always to have this smooth, smooth shooting footages or these smooth videos that I will be using mostly in the nearest future. Once again, inshallah, if God allows me to do so, I want my videos to come out the way I want, like the way I inspire them to look like, the way I imagine them to look like. And one of the things that I've always dreamed of acquiring is a gimbal. Now, the boy is right here. As you can see from the writing is a DJI RS4 Mini combo. So this is a combo, DJI RS4 Mini combo. Still brand new in its box. Just arrived few days, abroad from where I bought it. I bought it on this website called eBay. I bought it on eBay, brand new by the way. It was not as a second hand. Though I have opened it before, I need to open it right away such that you'll see what comes with the combo, DJI RS Mini 4 combo. So the combo of it comes with a lot of things. So let's go through it one after the other, so that we see what it comes with it. There's one box here. This one is just for packaging. It has nothing inside. See, totally empty. It's just a box to put here so that the gimbal inside don't get damaged. Another box that comes with it, which is very interesting. Let me put this thing down carefully because the gimbal is inside the box. So this box contains a lot of things. A lot of gadgets have been put inside the combo now because it is written, it's written DJI RS4 Mini combo. So the combo features that come with it are here. They are all in this box. Remember I showed you this box, there's nothing inside. This box is just empty, there's nothing inside. So this box contains so many things. And the first one, this is a small stand or tripod stand, you can call it. So this is where it is a stand where you can put your gimbal on it, you see. And you log it here, So this is one of the things inside the box. Another thing again inside the box is this one. This is it is a clip where you connect it to the camera. Okay, let me remove it so that you see it also. This is it. It looked like this from the same box. Another important thing is here. This is a handler. See, it's a handle for the gimbal. I told you the box is containing so many good things. Another thing again, these are the screws. One screw is here, I think the other one is here. Okay, 2 screws. These two screws for tightening it. To tighten you tighten them on the gimbal when you are doing shooting. And of course, there's I will not open this one. This is a cable for charging the gimbal itself. Another thing is here. These are now I think, let me leave this one for a minute. Another important feature that comes with this one is the intelligent tracker, AI tracker. This is very useful. It's small the way it is, but it is of a great use. This one can track you. It allows the gimbal to move. You can put on the table, and when you are moving, the gimbal can follow you using this tracker. Very important thing. I don't know what is lab again inside. There's another small thing here. I don't know what is inside this one. Another cable again. This is another cable now, but a cable with the L letter. And let me open this one. Let's open and see how it is. The combo accessories that come with it. A little bit hard. It was never opened before, so I'm the first person to open it. So let me see what is inside. Yeah, with an L shape. This is for connecting it, and it makes the connection easy because it has that L, the L shape you can see. Close to the screen you can see, but the other, and they're all Type C by there. USB Type C to C. This is a Type C to C. They're all Type C, but with the L shape at the end of one side. One side is a Type C with L shape, and the other one is Type C straight. So these are the thing. This is the combo accessories that come with it. And of course, there's one important thing here. The quick guide, the menu, the manual menu. Okay, let's open it once again. It's also something very important. We need to see what this one contains all the instruction. How to use it, how to run how to use the gimbal, so that it doesn't get spoiled. So what is this? This is written what? Bring the memory card. Fly to the future. So this is just a sign. It's like, I think it is a gimbal that they draw here. It's just a drawing in it. Okay. There's another card here. DJI Store. You can scan this one, and you install the application on your phone or on your laptop, of which I already did long time ago. I'm having them because I'm having a DJI. Which DJI did I bought? What DJI? DJI what? What DJI? The camera itself. DJI Action 5 Pro, the one I'm using right now to record, is also from the DJI, so it made me to come familiar a little bit with the DJI. This is now the manual, the guide, how to install this one. So the manual is here. Let's see what the manual says. Awesome. So it is level. The gimbal is level inside. Okay, as you can see, it is labeled with letters. Sorry, with the figures, and you follow so that you know each one of them. It's written one is English, the other one is Chinese, the other one is I don't know. I don't know which language this is. Look like, I don't know. Look like Turkish. I think it look also like, like the Russian. I don't know which language it is. The third one. Maybe some of you can recognize it. I only know English. I'm more okay with English. Okay, let's move to the guy itself now. Let's bring out the boy. So there's nothing other than just a design to make sure that this thing don't break, because it is delicate. It is very fragile and it can easily break. So let's open it. With a lot of care. With a lot of care. So yes, I think this place is not locked. Don't know. Why is it like this? Which one need to be locked? Here. This one is, I don't know. It need to be locked. Why is it hanging around? Ah, okay, it's locked, so you can see. So because I opened it before just to see, you see, it play, and it's very dangerous. You don't leave it this way. So there's like a small, small metal outside here. Can I call it like a button something? And it is locked. Okay. So I'm going to connect two things. Only two things. I'm not going to connect so many things. The first one is the tripod. I will connect the tripod to the, okay? Because the thing is fragile. So that it doesn't fall, it gives you that, that. So it is easy now to, to handle. I can handle with one hand, I can handle with the other hand. Then the other good thing that comes with it, let me place it carefully here, is the handler. I told you about the handler before. So let me open here. So I want to adjust it so that it will be easy to, to handle. Tighten, very good. So from here, you can just put it here, okay? And tighten it. Oh, sorry. So you can see how it is, okay? So if you don't like this one to be here, maybe you don't like it, you open it here. Maybe you want the handler to be up, just open it, okay? You open it and adjust until to the level you like. Okay, let's put it here and lock it. Okay? So when you are shooting, yeah, it will be easy for you to handle. Like I like to put on the tripod, okay, with the handler. But I don't, it depends how you like it. If you like it this way, but I want my, let's put it up a little bit up, the handler. Okay, somewhere here. And tighten it now. Yeah? Good. So here is more, okay, the space becomes smaller anyway, like it will be hard for your hand because you are shooting a footage. So again, I think I need to open a little bit more. Okay. You want to make sure that you are comfortable when you are shooting. Aha, now the space is okay. So we tighten it. Good, good. So you can handle it this way. So you need to have that comfort. It's yours, it's your machine, it's your gadget. So you need to have that that comfort, that freedom, You customize it the way you want. Some people can bring it down here, but for me, I like it this way. Okay, I can shoot it when I'm handling it like this, or maybe I'm feeling like I'm straining so much, so I can handle here, and you shoot, okay? Goes up. So this is the small video that I made for you so that you see how beautiful this RS4 Mini is, DJI RS4 Mini. I've been admiring this, but it comes with cost. This is almost $400, or $400, $500. It comes with a cost because it's a combo. It comes with everything. So if you want to this, you want also to have one of these in your photography gallery or your photography cabinet. Don't rush. That's what I can tell you. Don't rush. Take your time. Save one at a time as you do saving until you are in a position to buy it. Because photography comes with so much demand. It's I call it a very expensive hobby. It's expensive hobby. Why I call it a hobby is that our people don't put it into consideration so much, how we invest into this, how we invest just to make the world beautiful, just to take those beautiful photographs, those beautiful portraits, animals, the nature, street, the beauty of the world. They think somebody can just bring out the phone and you capture it and that's all. But no, a phone has a limit. But professional photographer will give you the high-end level of professionalism. So in my next video, I will show you how to balance it, because you need to balance 3 times. You need to balance this, you need to balance this, and you need to balance here. If it is not balanced, you will not be in a position to shoot totally. Totally, I bet you can't. Until you know how to balance your gimbal very well with your camera on and the lens. Doesn't matter which lens, maybe 70 to 200 or to 300 to 400, the long one, the long and heavy lens. The heavier it is, so adjusting it is different. Maybe you are putting on 50 millimeter, the small prime lens, or 85 millimeter. These are small lens and they are very light. So how you are going to adjust it is going to be different compared to putting on a bulky and heavy lens like Canon lens 70 to 200 millimeter. Is long and is heavy, plus the camera itself. So the gimbal will tilt to one side. So you need to adjust it. You need to balance it until it is perfectly in position, and then now you can now do the recording. So this is the small video that I have for you. Otherwise, thank you so much for turning on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe if you like the work that I'm doing. Subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment there, leave a like. And otherwise, I appreciate you so much. My next video is going to be about to focus on balancing the gimbal itself. But this is how the gimbal look. In my next video also, maybe I'll buy now the bag for carrying it, because all this carton, I'm going to throw them away. They'll be of no use. You need to have a bag with the protection that you can hang and you move with your machine without damage, because this thing is delicate, like I say. Otherwise, it has been fun. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.